Welcome back to another video, everyone. You probably guessed from that intro and them cinematics what we're going to be doing today. If you haven't, let me bring you up to speed. So today, let's go back. So a few days ago, posted a video of me using the Auto Finesse Enigma. It has changed its name. I didn't know that, but it is still it's the same product. It's just they've changed the names. Absolutely amazed with the results. Now on that video, the Savage Garage actually commented. Now, may not seem like a big deal to some people, but to me, somebody, you know, 53 subscribers, which I'm really grateful for, compared to his 70,000 subscribers. So he's well established in the YouTube automotive kind of channels. And for him to comment, I'm presuming he watched the video before he commented. So for him to comment and say, you know, try out this product, which is YUMcars, which I've got just down here. This is it. He is sponsored by YUMcars Detailing, so he's promoting their products, and he used his discount code nonetheless. And we're going to give it a go today. We're going to dress all the engine bay, all the plastics, and give it a good clean off. So yeah, let's make a start. So let's just have a quick overview of the products then. So we've got the YUMcars dress in the bottle. We'll have a look at the bottle in a minute. First, what we're going to look at is the applicator. What I like about the applicator is that it comes in this nice bag to keep nice and safe. That's got YUMcars. The feel of the product, it's made out of foam. It feels very rigid. It reminds me of, like, if you think of a machine polish, if you look at that surface and pick it up on camera. And then I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let's move the camera. If you look, if it'll focus, you can see the Y stamped into the top of it. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the feel of this so far. So let's have a look at the bottle. So YUMcars, just the website down at the bottom of the bottle. YUMcars, it's blue. So let's have a look. The instructions then. Always apply YUMcars to a thoroughly cleaned, decontaminated, cool to the touch and dry surface, ensuring all low dressings are removed, which we've done. Apply a few dots to the YUMcars onto the YUMcars Hexgrip applicator, which we've also got. This is the lovely applicator. If extra gloss is required, simply add another layer. Remove any eye spots of the product with the utility towel. I've not got a utility towel, but I have just got a microfiber that I've got. Leave for a minimum of 30 minutes to ensure long lasting and desirable shine. Important, make sure the product is 100% dry before driving to avoid any sling. Leave 30 minutes. What I do like about this is that this bottom bit here, as you can see, it says, if it'll focus, it says proudly made in the UK with the Union flag just there. Looks like a really good product. So just a few small dots. I'm going to do 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're just going to work it into the plastic. So looking at that then, I'm not sure if you can, yeah, it does stand out quite well. If you look at this side, see how all the plastic's all dark. I know I've gone over a little bit here, that's my bad. But yeah, if you look at it, it looks a lot newer, doesn't it? It does bring, especially that down here above the headlight, this crossbar, it does look a lot newer. I'm over the moon with that finish, if I'm honest. We're going to take the tape off now just to see the comparison between this side and the non-treated side. Wow, that's a big difference. I'm just ducking down because of the because it is quite a windy day today. I'm well impressed with this. Look at this for a difference. So you can see this is where I went over the tape, but look at that. That is the thumbnail. So yeah, cinematic of this. The camera's about to die, so I'll finish the other bit off, not on camera, and then we'll wrap the video up once I've got a bit of charge in the camera. So I just had to quickly put some charge in the battery because I thought I'd make it to the end because it said it had half and it's not. But we've now done the other side, so we'll have a look. I'm absolutely well impressed with the results. I just grabbed the product. Couldn't recommend this enough. When I do wash the car fully and they use it on the tyres, because that is what it is for. It's actually a tyre dressing and an exterior plastic dressing, and I'm using it on the engine blade plastics. But couldn't recommend this enough. Absolutely awesome product. I am going to be trying out some more of the YUMcars products now that I've used these. Like I said, the Savage Garage is the one that recommended to this. His channel is supported by this brand. Use his discount code, head over to his channel. I'm sure you know who he is if you're watching this. And yeah, couldn't really appreciate the recommendation. Make sure you go and check out YUMcars Detailing, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Please remember, like, comment and subscribe for more videos to come. Cheers.